Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to get Telegram Premium for free in just a few simple steps. First, let me prove I am not a premium user right now. See, no premium badge or features here. Okay, here what we will do. Close Telegram and open the Play Store. Search for Nicegram and install it. Now open Nicegram and sign in with your phone number. You will get the verification code in Telegram. Once logged in, tap Nicegram Authenticate and enter this special code. And you can see, just like that, I have got free Telegram Premium for 1 month. Nicegram is the best Telegram client. If you want more codes, drop a like and subscribe. It really helps. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.